Hello traders, in today's guide, I'll take you through the process of connecting your FYERS account with the Tradingview mobile app, streamlining your trading journey. Let's dive in. To begin, open the Tradingview mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, head to your app store, search for Tradingview, and download it. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the account or profile icon, usually represented by your profile picture or initials. In the account settings, search for an option like Connected Accounts or Link Accounts. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll find a list of supported providers. Look specifically for FYERS and select it. If FYERS isn't visible, ensure your app is updated to the latest version, as new integrations are often included in updates. Now, enter your FYERS account credentials. Input your username and password associated with your FYERS account, and double-check for accuracy to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, Tradingview will request permission to access your FYERS account data. Simply tap Authorize or Allow to grant access. This step is crucial for the app to fetch real-time data and updates. Great job! You've successfully connected your FYERS account with the Tradingview mobile app. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message or a connected status in your account settings. And there you have it, traders. You've seamlessly integrated your FYERS account with the Tradingview app, enhancing your trading experience. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like, subscribe for more trading tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy trading!